outside on your bumper.
Sometimes taking the road less traveled results in trail damage, as you can see here. I'm gonna show you some cool tricks and tips on how to fix it. Stay tuned to the dirt. All right, on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install decals the proper way using some old tricks. So we're gonna put a decal right here on this trail damage that was sustained while taking the road less traveled. The first step in installing decals is to very thoroughly clean the area. This applies to windows or you put on the body, same process. Make sure you clean it off, wipe it down, make sure there's no grit, grease, or dirt on it. So the secret is this right here. This is soapy water. You put it in a spray bottle. You're gonna spray your area with soapy water. I'm not gonna dry it off, just leave it on there. You also wanna do this in a garage if you can. Here in Florida, it's very hot. The sun evaporates the water way too fast. So we're here in some shade, still very, very warm. So we're gonna take our decal, rub some dirt on it, big old Band-Aid. Biggest Band-Aid I've ever seen. We're gonna take it off the backer. Carefully. I'm gonna spray that with soapy water also. Might seem a little bit counterintuitive, but this is the way. All right, so make sure you line it up right where you want it. Now you apply the decal. And with the soapy water on it, it gives you some leeway. You can still move it around, make sure all the bubbles get out of it. I'm just gonna go ahead and start getting that water out. We'll take a credit card or take some kind of squeegee. We're just gonna use this piece of plastic right here with an edge on it. And you start working the water out, nice and slow. And as it works the water out, it becomes sticky again and will adhere to the body. I'm gonna work the bubbles out from the middle out to the bottom or the sides, whatever's closer. You can actually see the water moving around in there still. So you want to get all the water out before you try to remove the transfer tape. That way you ensure that it's going to stick. A lot of people get nervous about putting on window decals or decals in general because they're worried about having bubbles in it or having it put in the wrong spot. With the soapy water trick, you can put a decal anywhere. Make sure you like where it's at. And then you just do this and it comes out perfect almost every single time. It made putting on these flag decals so much easier. Otherwise, you're working with a pretty big piece of vinyl and there's a lot of room for error. So we did that with this one. It was a super easy install. All right, we squeegeed all the water out. Now we're gonna carefully peel back the transfer tape.
Voila. It's Band-Aid wrap.
All right, well that's how you put on a decal. We hope you liked this video. Hope it was helpful. If you liked this decal, it's available online with the Road Less Traveled store. The link is below in the description. We also have decals that you can customize. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, leave a comment below, and as always, to the dirt.